up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. We had another insane week. Like, if we just look intraday on the market, it was wild. We saw so much upwards and downwards movement, and it was just a wild week with a ton of crazy movement. So with that being said, let's get right into this week's recap. We'll start off with the swings as usual. We have a lot of plays. We have some plays specific to the growth, I guess you would say growth sector. We have plays with some of the value stocks like the KMB play. We have exposure to some of the China stocks with KWEB. We have exposure to precious metals with GLD and SLV. Long story short, we have a lot of plays in the works right now. Some are bullish, some are bearish, some are neutral, but we have a lot of plays in the works. I would just say the biggest thing is time for letting these plays, giving these plays time to develop. Some of the growth stocks, as we know, are just at very low levels, so when they pop, that'll be great, but for the time being, it's been very rough. With that being said, it has been good to see the precious metals on the uptrend, so that's good. But besides that, we just have a lot of plays in the works, some bullish, some bearish, some neutral. All we need is just time to let those play out, and it should be all good. But with that being said, let's shift right into the bot plays today, or not today, for this week, sorry. The bot plays for this week, it was just an okay week. You know, it's been a couple weeks since we had an amazing week, but with that being said, you know, we saw some decent movement out of Palantir on Monday with the call play. That popped for 123%. So that was decent. The Zoom play on Tuesday was okay. It popped for like 19%. The ARC play on Wednesday was horrible. The Zoom play on Friday was horrible. And then the VIX play on Thursday was pretty good. So it was okay. You know, it's really been tough. And, you know, just looking intraday, we're in an unpredictable time right now. For example, we'll have the market gap up on Thursday, and then the next thing you know, it just crashes throughout the day. And then on Friday, the market gaps down, and then it rockets up in the middle of the day, and then it crashes down, and then it rockets back up. So there's been so much like unpredictable movement, and it's been really tough, but it is good to see the bot call out a couple decent plays with like Palantir and then VIX on Monday and Thursday. But you know, with this crazy unpredictable movement, we're naturally going to have a little bit more duds than usual with the bot. So it does suck to see, and the good news is that it seems like these, like especially the growth plays, have been downtrending for months now. So it would make sense that we are getting towards the end of this horrible downtrend. And then if we shift over into the theta plays for this week, there really weren't many updates, to be honest. Selling premium is hands down the best strategy in this market environment. Selling puts, actually mainly selling puts, is the way to go. In the worst case scenario, you could just roll it out for more time, but selling puts is hands down the best strategy in the current market right now because of increased implied volatility as well as low stock prices across the board in many different growth companies. So like, it's a total win right now. If you always wanted to get into selling puts and you had questions or you needed help, now's the time to get into selling puts. Like I said, it's like the perfect time given the current market environment. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. The market has been insane this week, so we're hoping for a better week next week. And don't forget that the market will be closed on Monday for MLK Day. So again, thank you guys so much for watching.